Hey guys, just changing out my wheel bearing and hub assembly. Had a little bit of fun with it. We had to pull it right out in order to get at the bolts. I just finished putting in the lower ball joint and the upper ball joint there. Yeah, we had quite a bit of problems getting at the nuts, the bolts. This is the back side of it. We ended up getting 3 of them out, but the one was definitely stuck in there. We drilled out a portion of it, and then we cranked it, and then it snapped. So then we just hammered it out. Yeah, we just hammered away at the hub there, since we're getting a whole new assembly. This here is the new assembly. I put in 4 new bolts. You'll see they're 12.9. I got a little bit heavier bolts this time. Hopefully they'll be easier to take out next time. The original ones are here. We kind of stripped those as well. They're 10.9. But yeah, and they're an M12 by 1.75 and 35 mils long. That's what I got in there. If you go any bigger, they'll probably end up hitting your rotor there. Yeah, so these end up being a 19 mil, and the socket just fits in there. Yeah, so that's that. I'll give you guys some specs on the torques. The hub, see if you can see that. The hub and bearing assembly to the steering knuckle bolts, they're 133 foot-pounds. And got another one here. This one here is the front wheel drive shaft nut. That's 191 foot-pounds. It's a nut that goes right on the end. And what else have we got here? Front brake caliper, front brake rotor to the front wheel hub. Those are 88 foot-pounds. So those are the main ones that you'll probably end up needing. Yeah, so that's it. After a couple days of swearing and getting angry, it all comes together. So yeah, that's that. Talk to you guys later.